As a manufacturer of wire harness and cable assemblies, Ecocables provides comprehensive solutions from wiring design and custom manufacturing to strategic supply and just-in-time fulfillment. Ecocables is UL certified under IPC standard, making us your one-stop shop source from prototypes to a high volume. Nearly 1,000 connector and wire raw material in stock, making prototype 1 to 3 days lead time and mass production 5 to 7 days possible. And automatic production line meets high productivity as high as 100,000 pieces. All of our cable products and wire harnesses are made to state-of-the-art. All harnesses are tested before shipment using advanced testing equipment. We test every connector, wire, and the overall harness for continuity, capacitance, resistance, and diode polarity. With professional R&D departments, we have the capability to work from design on through manufacturing. Custom cable assemblies are certainly what we do, but there's a lot more to it than that. Our business includes cable and wire harness, electromechanical assembly, electronics assembly, and product design and engineering. We will also recommend alternative connector and wire to save costs for customers. Different shipment methods available: sea, air, express, truck, customs clearance, customs tax included, meeting different shipment needs. Being an industry leader, our customers are from wide-range industries: appliance industry, lighting industry, security industry, HVAC industry, telecom and datacom industry. We are continuously committed to supplying products and services of the highest possible standards in order to meet our customers' requirements and expectations of quality, reliability, and adaptability. Ecocables makes every connection valuable. Contact us today.